Friends, running kimono. So we're going to talk about these gift sets over at Walmart. They hit 50 as of midnight last night, and a lot of buzz on social media about that. It is your choice if this is a good deal for you or not. If you use the Walmart app and scan some of these barcodes, it'll give you the clearance price in your neck of the woods. Or you can alternatively use the BrickSeek site and enter the UPC along with your zip code and then see, hey, is this in my area? Like how many? Blah, blah, blah. Double, triple check these rebate apps to ensure that the rebates are still there so you can get them at a rock bottom price. Often the first day when a lot of people start collecting these rebates, they might vanish, just to note that. So as stated at the beginning of the video, on the 26th, Walmart is 50% off, and then on Jan 1, it usually hits about 75. So it'll either be December the 31st or January the 1st. But good luck finding these kits on the 1st or the 31st because everybody and their grandmother, when this stuff is half off, people sometimes really stock up, which is kind of bizarre, but it is the average shopper that does not coupon that thinks this is a very good price point. So you're either going to find this on end caps or you'll find them on displays, or the employees might take all of them and put them in a Christmas clearance area, or it also might be at the front of the store. I've seen that before, just to entice people to buy them. And that usually typically works when they're smack dab at the front. People are like, oh my gosh, I really need all this stuff. So we're going to go through some deals with rebate apps, and then we're going to just look at some price points of some of these kits. Okay, so I'm not sure if these are still loadable, but if you hop onto the coupons.com app, these are valid until the 31st, and we have a $3 back for this beautiful Olay kit. That's a body wash and a smaller body wash, along with this 6 off of 2. So hopefully you loaded all of them, but I loaded them, I think, a couple of weeks ago. So over at Walmart, these are $9.88. Sorry, I have a Walgreens photo here, but it's the same box over at Walmart, but it's $9.88. So Walmart is cheaper than Walgreens. So here's the UPC for this kit. If you wish to scan it, either in the Walmart app or put it into BrickSeek, it is your choice. BrickSeek, you can see the quantity, so that's why that's a bit more advantageous. So if your store has nothing, save your gas and stay home. But here's the UPC for this product. So it is $4.74, I believe. And so buying 3 of them is $14.82. You'll pay that out of pocket and then get back $9 from the coupons.com app, making it $5.82 for the 3 or $1.49 for each, which is a rock bottom price for each Olay body wash. And to use coupons with this, my luck is with the coupons.com app, they always reject me if I ever use as much as one coupon, so I would say no. And these rebates are for Walmart only. So if you want to buy this at a different store, it has to be Walmart for the coupons.com app. So if you open up your IBOTTA account, there's still some rebates for these gift sets for the BIC. So this one is $3.75. Obviously, that kit is just a couple more pennies. And it is your choice again. Is this a stock up price for BIC, or do you want to buy all your stuff at the pharmacy? And this rebate is also specifically only at Walmart. And then $2.50 for this smaller kit. So IBOTTA, double, triple check that we have the same rebates for this next deal. Okay, so for the more expensive kit, it's bringing up for $7.44. There is a $3.75 rebate, so it would drop it down to $3.69, but you're getting a lot of razors for that price point. For the second one, it's $4.94, $2.50 back from IBOTTA, so it makes it $2.44. Not the worst little dealio. Okay, now Dollar Shave Club, this is $9.88, and I photographed this last week, and I thought it would be half that price. But no, the actual price for this was like $14 and some change, and it's for this little razor and kit. And for whatever reason, every single Walmart had this Christmas display in a bountiful amount. Like, they really went hard for this one product. And here's the UPC for this little kit. It's super cute. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, now I unfortunately used all of mine last week, but there was $2 back for these little kits. So if you might have that $2 one, this might be a deal for you. Grabbing one of those for $7.44, $2 back from the Fetch Rewards app, it would drop this kit that's almost $15 down to $5.44. The Adidas men's perfume, I know there was like a Checo 51 and IBOTTA rebate. All of those have vanished off of mine, maybe not yours. But this would be $7.49 for these different men's perfume kits. So if this is something that you like to gift or you want to stock up on, Or if you're a male couponer that likes to smell good, maybe $7.49 is a price point for you. And I'm going to show you all the UPCs for these. And I know that for whatever reason, usually they have like Stetson and a couple other like, preferred stock. It was mostly Adidas at these Walmarts. This one's also $7.49, and you get a trio of men's colognes. And here is the UPC for this guy. So yeah, just look high and low, look all over the place. You might find stuff in like the weirdest places. The next little item is this men's Schick Hydro. And these kits too, sometimes there's manufacturer coupons that you can use at a later time inside the kit. So pop them open. This one is $4.94, and here is the UPC. Now this one is $4.94. This is a heck of a value for this. And see how it says $20 value, so there will be coupons inside of this box. Now here's the thing with this little friend. When you scan this into the Walmart app, at least at my store, it's ringing up for $21, but that is not the price point. It is $4.94. I looked it up on BrickSeek, and if you look at the display, if you look at the top, $9.88. So I don't know where that $21 is coming from. I think it's a private seller on Walmart's website that's selling it for $21, and that's why it's popping. And my store is cleared of these, so that's why that weird price point is showing up. But sometimes you need to double, triple check things on BrickSeek, and then you'll be like, oh, that makes sense. And now we have this little Dove kit for $4.94. And again, these price points without coupons or anything like that, or no rebates, it is at your discretion, because I think entirely this is too much for Dove because we get this for cheap all the time. But for $4.94, I know some people like that is a total stock up price if you cannot find this, or, is this your favorite thing? Or if you want these super cute gift sets, use an IBOTTA or Fetch gift card to pay for it. And now this little trio fragrance, I mean, this stuff we get for next to nothing always at Walgreens. So like, I would never pay $5 for that. But if it's your thing, of course, I mean, this would be a really good stock up price. And here's the UPC. So for 2 body washes and a little hand soap. And then we have the Nivea. It's the same price point. So everything is like $9.88. That is their magic price point over at Walmart. So when you cut it in half, that's the price point. And for the last couple of years, whenever you try and look for this stuff, it's 75% off. There's not a single one left, because the average shopper will buy it at half cost, especially if they stage it at the front of the store, which they have done in this area at multiple Walmarts. They always put it right at the front, and people are like, I need it all. Now we have some fancier Aveeno for $7.44. So you get like 2 lotions, a mask, a couple other odds and ends. For most couponers, we'd probably be like, pass. But, if there's something specific, or, I know that Old Spice has those collectors, like the little different deodorants inside of like a little animal or something like that. If you collect that sort of thing, that's a different story. And then we have the Dove Men. This is a pretty good value for $4.94. And here is the UPC for Mr. Dove. And a lot of these boxes also have expiry dates too. So if you were going to go crazy and grab like 6,000 of them, look at your expiry date or have a plan of what you're going to do with all these gift sets. And we have Old Spice. Here's something funny. When I tried to scan this, I couldn't really get any sort of like, it's here, blah, blah, blah. It was just like, nope. And here is the UPC for this guy. So yeah, good luck tracking down these gift sets. They are plentiful all over. Don't be shy to look on end caps in the beauty section. We have $9.88 for the Dove boxes, and then they have a shave kit for $14.88. In my non-couponer life, I used to buy those zippered kits as Christmas gifts back in the day. But this is the better value, this little box, for $4.94. And now we have the UPC here. So it would be $4.94 for that gift kit. And photograph this receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because Axe is part of their catalog. You'll get back extra points for that purchase. We have 98 cents for these little soft soaps. They are the 7 ounces, which are the itty bitty ones. So, I mean, if you love the packaging, this might be a deal for you. But if you are an avid Walgreens shopper, pass, because we usually get these for like 30 cents. But 49 cents for this little soft soap. This is one weird item that sometimes just sells out really quickly. And here is the UPC. This is one of I think 6 or 7 different labels. They had one with like a dog on it, one with a kitten, and this one with the bear. They always have different sort of, packaging. Okay, now if you could still track these down, these coffees, this is $3.88. They were marked at my store really cheap. Here is the UPC. And over on Shopkick, there is a ton of rebates for $8 back. This Christmas blend is one of them. They had also like McCafe coffees, a Snickerdoodle one also by Green Mountain. But look high and low for these with the Shopkick app, because you could possibly get some coffee really inexpensive, especially if you can find the coffee at 75% off. Happy hunting, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!